ma'am. How are you doing? How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good and great. And thanks for asking. And what about your day? Have you finished your all household chores, your work related to your house?
Yes, I have done my all household chores.
Okay. So now you are going to only practice your English.
Yes, at this time I'm free.
Okay. So in the daytime, it means in the afternoon, how much time do you do your practice?
Uh, uh, 1 hour.
1 hour. You also take nap after taking your meal?
Yes, I have taken.
Okay. So at morning time, in the morning time, at what time do you usually get up?
Uh, I get up at a 6 o'clock at this
Six o'clock.
in the
Okay.
winter time.
Okay. Yeah, because nowadays in winter season, nights are too long as compared to
Yes,
day.
yes,
Okay, then it's great. And so tell me something about your journey, how your journey is going, and what kind of things you have faced, or we can say what kind of problems you have been facing in order to tackle out, and how you are seeing yourself as a means now you have learned so many things. So how what is your feeling right now means now you can easily speak with anyone. So what are your feelings right now?
okay. At this time, I'm feeling very happy and I'm comfortable now. But when I started my journey, at this time I have to face problem because that time my mind went blank and I couldn't understand what to speak. But I make a video, made video regularly, so it's going to be easy for me.
Yeah, means because when we be consistent on our journey, any kind of skill
Yes,
on which we want to work, if we are consistent and we are really very hardworking, we are you
yeah,
from getting your achievements.
yeah,
Yeah, means you also wanted to overcome your that fear of
yes,
going in
yes,
front of anyone and speaking this language. Yeah,
yes,
because why we have to do this for us, because learning English, it doesn't mean only we learn English only for us to bus means just live in a room and speak only to ourselves. No, the last purpose, the end purpose of learning any language is to speak in front of others in
yes,
public,
yes,
as we are speaking our mother tongue, our Hindi language or our regional language. In the same way, we should try to make us feel comfortable with this language too. And this is calling
yes,
a good communication skill. Otherwise, in our school time we have learned, okay, but just because of we didn't practice. So now if you are working on this skill, so try to do
yes. And I have never spoken English in front of anyone before started my journey. But now, when I started my journey, that time I talked to myself, and I record video and I figure out my mistakes, and in this way I'm learning this language.
okay.
And yeah, after that I decided to have conversation with someone to get over all types of problems when we have to face to speak with others.
So do you also go for your means at your school kids for having PTM, parents teacher meeting?
Yes, yes.
So you talked. Have you ever talked with teachers in
No,
English language? You should
no.
try. You should at least try.
Yeah, on video call I talk to means I talked. I'm able to talk in English, but when I in front of anyone, when I go to the PTM, that time I could not
You
do
know what
this.
you can do? What you can do when teacher, okay, he tells you everything about your babies. So just tell that teacher means actually I'm an English language learner. I have been learning this language. So I just want to practice with you. So if I can make mistake while speaking, so then you just let me know. I will improve. And just in this way, he will also cooperate you.
Yes,
And it's a
yes, I
kind of
know.
opportunity for you.
Yeah, and they are speak in English very simple language, not a difficult.
Not difficult
Yeah,
words. They are using only very
yes,
understanding words.
yes, yes. बट क्या बोलूं, मतलब मैं हिम्मत नहीं कर पाती हूँ बोलने की.
Yeah, this is the thing. You don't have that much there, but you have. You are not
Yes,
using it. The time,
yes,
the time when you will start at that very first time, then you will get your confidence in order to
yes.
speak in front of others. Otherwise, until or unless you will not take your step towards overcoming your this fear, you are not going to remove this hesitation or fear of yours.
Yeah, I know this, and I will try in
The
next
next time,
time.
next month when you will go, then definitely use your power. Now
Yes,
you
yes,
have power of this language. Don't feel
yes.
shy. If you make some kind of mistakes, okay, then before speaking this language, tell the teacher. Tell your means your kids teacher means actually I'm not proficient in this language. I have been just trying to
Yes,
learn this language and I'm trying to practice. So if you don't mind, can I speak with you in English language? So definitely instead of mocking at you, they will appreciate your effort. They will appreciate at least you are as a mother, you are trying to do something different.
yes, some mothers speak in English with teachers. Then the teacher means teachers speaks very good
Politely,
manner
politely or
with,
in a
yeah,
good
with
manner.
a politely with, yes, yes,
Yes.
with the parents. Yes,
Okay, so
but
you have started practicing with your kids or not till now?
yes, yes, I often speak with my son
Okay.
in
So what
English.
kind of conversation you are having with your babies?
Like when he study, that time I speak in English, and when he means come here and do this work properly, yeah, that type of
Is when you
sentence.
will try to give them instruction or when you try to give them
Yes,
order
yes,
or when you try to
yes,
make them understand any kind of thing, then you practice means small sentences.
yes, and
And
when I teach,
you can also practice like speak on particular topics or sometimes
yes,
you just try to narrate any kind of stories means bedtime
yes,
stories whenever you go to bed.
when I teach him, that time I try to explain that topic in English.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
because he is in English medium school, so I will try to explain that means chapter in English.
Yeah, it's great. At least you are trying to do something for you
Yes,
and for your baby as well. Because it's
yes,
kind of a learning for both of you, not only for your son, for you also. So
yes, yes, I know.
how you are feeling, what kind of feeling are you having right now in your inside, and what kind of appreciation you get from your husband?
I क्या I didn't get any appreciation with from my husband,
Why?
but
He didn't
because
appreciate your effort?
No,
Why? At least you
I
are
don't know
trying
why.
to feel proud. He must
Yeah,
appreciate.
feel proud, but he doesn't show me this thing and doesn't tell me you are doing great.
If you really want to improve your English, then you just go
Yes,
install some apps. Means there is one in Ace Fluency and Hybro. Okay, and
yes.
at least two apps you can install, and they both apps they will provide you 25 minutes free.
Okay,
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 because
I will.
they by using that app you can also practice on audio calls, and it will give you extra time, means 50 minutes, 50 minutes in a day.
Yes, I will do this.
Yes, and even for doing audio call, you don't need to find your partner. You will automatically connected with your anyone of your partner, and you will just practice with them even about any kind of things you can speak. You have to speak a lot only, because one thing I learned from my journey, and that is the thing, only one thing, speaking. Because we have geared up, we have taken the decision to become fluent in this language as well as speak English. So for speaking
Yes.
we have to speak, for cooking so you have to speak only.
Yeah, I'm able to reading, writing, and listening, but at this time I have to face problem in speaking.
Yeah, I can see, means earlier I have also, I can relate with you. Earlier I also faced these kind of problems, but right now
Yes,
I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling more confident as compared to my initial days of learning, because the time when I started learning English I had no one, and still I have no one at my home. The all things which I have learned so far, I have learned from YouTube and from others, from my
and
partners too.
yeah, and one thing I feel that when viewers means encourage us, that time we
Yes,
feel
when they
confident,
appreciate our
and
work,
then yes, that time we feel confident. We feel we are means
we
we
become
try to
enthusiastic kind of a person.
yes, and we try to do better.
Yes, we still finding our ways.
And you
Means
got appreciation, lots of appreciation, so that things
actually the time
help
when I
you.
started,
Yeah,
yeah,
that
you
thing
can
helps
continue.
you. Yes, to be fluent and to overcome all types of fears.
Actually these kind of appreciation, or saying some good words to anyone, appreciating works of anyone, these kind of things pushing ourselves.
Yes, this thing is very helpful for everyone.
And when I have these kind of thinking in my mind, so means I'm appreciated by all the women, especially housewife. So these things also make me happy, and now my
Yes,
happiness, it doesn't depend on others. My happiness, because I'm feeling happy, I'm satisfied from myself, from my work, from my hard work, and from my English too. So that's why I'm feeling happy now. I haven't given my control to others.
yes, you are right.
Yeah. So now I think we should wind up this session.